What's going on, everyone? I'm Russ with Expert Barber Beauty Academy. Today we're packing up for the Texas State Barbering Exam, chemical application preparation. This is a 2.5 gallon Ziploc bag with an easy open, easy close, and it is labeled chemical application preparation. Inside the bag, you're gonna have 2 towels. They can be any color. 1 cape. Protective cream, labeled protective cream. Inside this one's Vaseline, but you can use Vaseline or another type of protective cream. A small Ziploc baggie labeled sanitized implements, and inside that you're going to have at least 1 spatula. I got a couple extra there, and a pair of gloves. Place all those in there, squeeze out the air, seal it up, place that inside your large service bag, squeeze out the extra air, and close it up. Now you're all packed up for the chemical application preparation. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.